Well, I bought myself something which I've been intending to do for quite a while, but I bought the poor relation of the ridge monkey, and this is what it is. It's the Bankside grill, very similar to the ridge monkey, and about 50% less the cost. So it was, I think, £15, and the ridge monkey is about £35 plus. And here it is. It's well used because I have used it a lot. I love it. This is probably the most used utensil in my kitchen. I've cooked everything in there except for a curry, obviously. Mind you, I could give that a go. But this was £15, and the reason why I chose it, not only because it was cheap, because when I looked at the ridge monkey, the handles, I'm not sure if I'm right in saying this, but the plastic was going all the way over here. So to put a ridge monkey into an open fire, you're probably going to risk burning quite a lot of the handle, whereas this one's still plated, so you could. This is, don't get me wrong on the ridge monkey, because I haven't owned one, so I don't really know. This is the XL size. It's quite good. I can put a whole packet of sausages in there quite easily, and it has a non-stick surface on both sides. Then just close it down, and you just put the clip on, and there you go. Flip, 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 flip. This is ingenious. It really is. I wish I bought one earlier because it stops all that splashback that you get when you're frying sausages or bacon. And I'm making such lovely toasties in there. I'll put the videos on what I have been cooking, experimenting it, but I use it virtually every day. And for £14–15, I'll put the price, and I'll put the link up as well from where I got it from. I got it from Amazon. It's definitely worth the money. I know it's a bit of a pain. You might not be able to put it into your camper van as portably as the ridge monkey, but still, I'll make bloody room for this. Got it on a very low heat, and I'm going to fry some bacon in there just to try it out. I've got no oil in there. Put a slice of bacon in. It's got a non-stick surface, so it should be fine. Got another piece in there, so I can put 2 pieces of bacon in, so this will be okay. Put the lid down because it'll probably cook a lot better. Put the tip on it. After 2 minutes, I'm going to flip it over. So the other side. Flip the lid so the water that comes out of the bacon. Wow, that looks good, doesn't it? So that's the bacon done. What I like about it, because the lid's on, there's no splashing of oil anywhere. It is a bit of a problem because of the long handles. Can't really fully fit it into the kitchen. And I know with the other brands you can dislodge the two, so that's to their advantage. And I'm just going to clean this up, and then I'm going to use it again. It's fairly easy to clean. It all slides off, so there's no hard scrubbing needed to be done. Sandwich, I'm going to make a bacon and cheese sandwich. I normally butter the outer surface of the bread that I'm going to put onto the pan, just so it gives it a nice brown coating. Put the bacon on. So I'm going to do a nice little bacon sandwich with cheese. Put the bacon in, and then we get some sliced cheeses. Let's put that there. I don't want to put too much cheese in. Okay, and then put the other slice of bread on top, like so. Then all we do is close it. And don't make a mistake like I did. I was cooking everything on a high heat. You mustn't do that. It's got to run fairly low. So with this design, you've got the metal handle over here. So if you were to cook on an open fire, nothing's going to get burnt like the plastic on this handle would do. And I think in the other brands, it's all plastic right up to the hilt there. So you're kind of like limited on using this if you're going to have like an open fire. It's done. Now all to do is cut it. Here is a bacon and cheese toasties. Perfect. A panini, or ordinary panini, cut it in half, pesto chicken. So the panini's in, close the lid, and put the clip on. So there's my panini, lovely, done. Cheesy, melted, toasted on the outside. Attempt to make a paratha filled with a spicy omelette. I'm using tortilla wraps because they're cooked already, and I've buttered one side. So I'm going to put the buttered side face down onto the actual plate, like so. Put the heat down, let me put the heat down here, and we just put that there. And then get the egg, pour that in, my omelette. Spread it around a bit so I get the chilies on this side. Now, maybe I should use 2 eggs. I don't know. Anyway, okay, so it's my first time I'm trying this out, so I haven't got a clue how it's going to turn out. There you go. Then I'm going to fold down the sides like so. And then we're going to close the lid and let that cook for a few minutes. And just flip it around and let that cook on the other side. That's what you keep doing every minute. So that is my tortilla stuffed omelettes. Well, that's pretty good. Good turnout. Nice crispy on the outside. Some garlic bread in this. So I'll put the garlic butter on. I'm going to put it on the outside because I want the butter to cook a little bit. So we'll just pop that in like so. Close it and put it on the fire on a very low. There's my garlic bread on a chia batter. I'm going to try heating these up. Normally you put them in the microwave and they go soggy, so we want a crisp one. So I'm going to put that in my little toasty thingy. So it's nice and hot. It took about 2 minutes in that. And let's open it up. So it's not soggy like it would have been if I put it into the oven. Nice and crispy. Sausages in the pan. Put the lid down. Let's see. The sheer beauty of using one of these things is there's no splattering of oil around the surfaces or anything. It's quite clean cooking. Look at that. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh, the best sausages I've ever made.